Bosch is everywhere. I don't believe there's a car that exists on the road today that doesn't have Bosch parts in it. So automotive is a really big part of Bosch, and that's where we started using SOLIDWORKS a number of years ago. And we have automotive technology, we have industrial technology, and we have consumer goods and building.
And without SOLIDWORKS, we couldn't accomplish what we do.
Back in 1999, Bosch was looking into moving all of their 2D CAD applications to 3D CAD applications. We piloted SOLIDWORKS for about 9 months, integrated a lot of the Bosch standards, which are standards we use for drawing formats with information, how it's carried into SAP systems, how we flow processes, different things that we have to put inside our drawings. It's called the Bosch norms, and basically the Bible, if you will, within Bosch worldwide. And what Chris does is he implements all of those.
I use the API that SOLIDWORKS provides to create add-ins to follow the Bosch standards. And if they're already using SOLIDWORKS, we can give them our tools and they can immediately start implementing the Bosch standards.
And because of the open API with SOLIDWORKS, we can tie it together with all of the other systems we have at Bosch. It's easy to interface with SQL Server, it's easy to pull information from Active Directory. There's just so many things we can do with it. Once people start working with SOLIDWORKS and they see all those additional tools that are available and how easy it is to use them, the number of users just continues to increase.
Because it seems like they build in more functionality with every release, which we can then demonstrate.
CircuitWorks is a good example of that.
Yep. When they added in the full version of CircuitWorks, we were able to then create a program that allowed us to build a single 3D model with multiple configurations, saving
500% savings in time.
Yeah.
So when someone comes to me and they say, Janine, we're working on this and it takes me 50 steps to get this done and I have to do this every day. I bring Chris in and I said, Chris, let's go over this and create a process for these folks and make it happen.
We can take that and then break it down for them so that they are clicking one button and the process is complete.
It's nice having that subscription support. You can download the updates, you can test all the tools and everything that we have and make sure that it's going to function properly. We use the silent installation with the MSI exec, and this allows us to control that install. And so every person in the world within Bosch who has the SOLIDWORKS installation has exactly the same installation. That's what excites me. I like to take care of them and I like to see them happy. And they tell other people about it within their facilities, within their organizations, and we wind up with more users. We started with 11 users, and today we've gone from that pilot group to over 3,000 users around the globe.